Elektrotashmash is a worldwide recognized brand in designing and manufacturing of turbo generators, hydro generators, large direct current electric machines, complete electrical equipment for urban and railway electric transport. Elektrotashmash plant was founded in 1946 as a traction electrical equipment production plant. Since 1954, the plant has begun mastering the manufacturing of turbo and hydro generators. As an enterprise with more than semi-centennial history, Elektrotashmash has long won the reputation of a reliable partner and manufacturer of competitive products in its industry. Plant production, generators, turbo, hydro generators. Elektrotashmash specializes in the development and manufacturing of high-powered hydro generator motors for hydraulic and pump storage plants, turbo generators for thermal and nuclear power plants. Nowadays, Elektrotashmash is the leading Ukrainian enterprise which specializes in design, manufacturing, supply, supervision works, adjustment, service and repair support of hydro generators up to 1,000 megawatts and reversible hydro generator motors up to 430 megawatts. Our company has been familiar with Elektrotashmash from the moment of its foundation. DTEC realizes a full-scale program of equipment modernization. We have finished 10 projects on modernization of power generating units with Elektrotashmash during the last year, and today the equipment operates reliably. This fact confirms the professionalism and responsibility for qualitative modernization of power generating units, which provide hundreds of thousands of people with light and heating in our country. In 1959, the first turbo generator of 200 megawatts was manufactured. It has been operating at Tservena State District Power Station in Azerbaijan up to the present time. In 2012, the innovative project of hydro generator motor for Grishtovska hydro-pumped power storage power plant was designed, which has no analogs in Europe.
Такого плану, скажімо, агрегати.
The aggregates of such capacity type will appear in Europe for the first time. We have no doubts as for the quality and high efficiency of this aggregate. The innovative stator design and technology of its assembly and fixing of stator winding rods are used. When designing hydro generators for Rogulska hydropower plant, a number of fundamentally innovative solutions were introduced, which allow using hydro generator of power limit for various pressure in the dam. In 2013, the main innovative project was the designing of turbo generator of 550 megawatts for Ikabaspruska State District Power Station. The original cooling system of rotor winding was implemented in this turbo generator, which has no analogs, as well as anti-axial stator core cooling system. During the history of the plant, 670 turbo generators, 185 hydro generators, and hydro generator motors have been manufactured. Plant production, large direct current machines, traction equipment, electrical motors. Elektrotashmash is a complex designer and supplier of electrical equipment for many brands of locomotives, trams, trolleybuses, subway cars, heavy dump trucks, and electric locomotives. As a rule, the scope of supply includes the electrical parts of locomotives. There is a test center of traction electrical equipment at the plant. A wide range of tests are performed there, including electromagnetic, climatic, and vibrational trials. The year 1947 was marked by the manufacturing of the first traction electrical motor for diesel locomotive. Within the period of 2006 to 2008, 9 traction electrical motors for Rao plant of transport machinery had been made. In 2012, traction aggregates for Lugansk Tiplivos were manufactured. Our plant belongs to the largest Russian enterprise in transport field, Transmash Holding Group, which includes more than 17 enterprises not only in Russia and its neighboring states, but also in Europe. Our partnership has been continuing for more than 40 years, and during all this time, numerous units of equipment have been mastered, which still operate, and customers' comments, I would say, are quite good. In 2013 were produced traction generators for a Russian locomotive with gas piston diesel. During the history of the plant, 155 synchronous horizontal and vertical motors for drives of pump units, 20,000 large direct current electric machines, and 45,000 sets of traction equipment for railway and urban electrical transport have been manufactured. Why choose us?
Завод, с моей точки зрения, просто славен.
In my
людьми.
opinion, the plant is famous for its people, from ordinary workers to the leadership team.
Завод заслуживает самой высокой
The plant is
похвалы,
worth the
потому
highest
что
praise because it has always been at the forefront, never fallen behind. It has always been the engine of the new technique.
лидером нового в технике.
Production of Elektrotashmash is in demand in more than 50 countries all over the world. Our equipment can operate at heavy loads in difficult climatic conditions. Our equipment could be disassembled, which allows to fix the problem quickly and without dismantling of the entire construction. Our specialist provides service maintenance in the shortest time in any part of the world.
Ми вибираємо цю продукцію тільки тому, що вона себе зарекомендувала.
We chose this
часом.
production as it was proven by the time and quality, and we have the possibility to see these aggregates in operation and ensure the reliability and quality of this production.
Надійності і в якості цієї продукції. Якщо вона надійна,
Since it is reliable and high quality, there is no need to look for other partners. A customer receives tested and reliable equipment. We can install our equipment on the existing foundation. This eliminates the additional costs of capital construction and significantly reduces the launch date. We have patents for inventions, models, and industrial product samples, as well as copyright certificates on the calculation programs.
Завод поддерживает и развивает.
The plant supports and develops partnerships with a variety of enterprises and companies all over the world. Annual participation in different international exhibitions promotes the plant's permanent expansion of sales markets. We have developed a short and long-term business development strategy that enables us to work systematically on solving tasks, as well as look into the future with confidence. High technology requirements for compliance at each operation. Full-scale testing of every product allowed our enterprise to pass certification under the international system ISO 9001. Undoubtedly, this is a certificate of trust on the part of each customer. Elektrotashmash, time-proven reliability.